Alright, I'm at the Home Depot in Council Bluffs. There are a few fans. There's Cortain, there's the Bayfield. What is this one called? Mansilla. Gazebo 4, which is new. There's the Channing right there in Ashby Park, Grantway, and yeah, Lavano, Mina, McKenna, yeah, whatever that, I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry about that. And there's a cursed Glendale III. I like how it looks. Corwin, Southland 2, roughly 2 there. Mina, Kents Grove 2, Moreland. This is and this is the one I saw in Old Market there. And Mary's still there. That's yeah, I think. Is it? There's another one there. Brighton, Hunter, Mary, Rockport, and oh yeah. Wait, that's Caprice. That's all wrong. How even is it like that? I'll go on the other side. Here's this. Orla, the Benning. There's a Littleton right there. Hugger. Oh yeah, that was one missing the globe. Oh yeah, and the Littleton 2, which is new. Narletta. Roughly 2, Wilson 2, Channing. Wait, that's not right. Sometimes they did that. There's Oakhurst, broken Bellina right there, Middleton, Oakhurst, and a broken Ashby Park. A Sidlow. There's a Rockport. Yeah, those are the end of Fanley right there. There's a Glendale 3, Corwin, and Mary, Kents Grove 2, Mina, Brushnickel. Anything in here? Nope. Oh well. That might be it. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'm gonna show the Daytons real quick. Because whatever the fuck I did. Pardon my French. Yeah, there's 2 in there. As you know. And nothing right there. I'm not gonna show all of them this time. I'm tired of getting my damn storage full. You know. Here's this one. That one, yep. And then that one.
Hello.
Hi.
I need some.
And yeah, there's a few more down there. I'm not gonna go all the way down there, but yeah. It's this way there. And yeah, that might be it. So thanks for watching. Alright, here's the final clip. There's the Kanye right here. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.